lesson, we will discuss the air conditioning system. The aircraft is equipped with an air conditioning system supplied by the bleed air system and a supplemental cooling system, SCS, which is electrically powered. The air conditioning system, which is fully automatic, provides continuous air renewal and maintains a constant selected temperature in the cockpit and in the cabin zones. Air from the air conditioning system is also used for cargo temperature control. The bleed air system supplies two air conditioning packs with air from the engines, the APU, or the ground air supply. This cooled air then flows out of the packs and is combined with recycled cockpit and cabin air in the mixer unit. Then, hot air from the bleed system is added to the mixed air to obtain the selected temperature throughout the cockpit and cabin zones. There are temperature selectors on the overhead panel and in the cabin on the flight attendant panels, FAPs. In case both packs fail, the mixer unit can directly receive air from outside the aircraft through the emergency ram air inlet. The two packs, which operate automatically and independently of each other, provide cold air by cooling hot bleed air. Each pack has two heat exchangers, one cooling unit, or air cycle machine, ACM, and one pack controller. The pack controller controls the following valves and doors. Hot bleed air flows into each pack via the two pack valves and then enters the primary heat exchanger where it is pre-cooled using external air. This external air enters through a ram air inlet door and is discharged overboard through a ram air outlet door. The cooled bleed air then enters the ACM for further cooling. The temperature control valve, TCV, adjusts the pack outlet temperature by adding air to the pack outlet flow. Below flight level 220, air for temperature adjustment comes from the pack valves via the pack discharge heating valve, PDHV, to prevent ice formation. In the event an air cycle machine fails, the pack operates in bypass mode and bleed air is cooled by the heat exchangers only. When the air cycle machine fails, the pack operates in a degraded mode. In this configuration, when below flight level 220, the pack must be set to off. Above flight level 220, the pack can be used, but the pack performance is degraded. Each pack controller has two independent channels, and each of these channels can control the entire pack. The pack controller and its two channels are only displayed on the bleed page when one or both of the channels have failed. In the event a pack controller fails, the associated pack is lost.